Did you know that the pound cake got its name from its original recipe, which called for a pound each of flour, butter, eggs, and sugar? This simple formula has been a cornerstone of baking since the 1700s, shifting and shaping into countless variations over the centuries. Today, we're adding a zesty twist to that traditional recipe with our lemon pound cake, a tangy delight that pays homage to the classic while offering a fresh burst of citrus. Now that you know a bit about the history, let's dive into the process of making a delicious lemon pound cake. In our version of lemon pound cake, the ingredient ratios have changed a bit from the original recipe, but the simplicity and deliciousness remain the same. To get started, we'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. For the wet ingredients, we'll use 3 large eggs, a cup of unsalted butter, and a half cup of milk. And let's not forget the star of the show, the zest and juice of 2 large, ripe lemons. A few tips to remember as we gather our ingredients. First, make sure everything is at room temperature. This ensures a smoother mix and a better texture in our final product. Secondly, always prioritize quality. Fresh, high-quality ingredients can truly transform a recipe from good to great. With our ingredients ready, it's time to start baking our lemon pound cake. Baking a delicious lemon pound cake is more than just mixing ingredients and popping them in the oven. There are a few tricks to ensure your cake comes out perfectly every time. Start by combining your dry ingredients. Don't be shy with the sifting, it's the secret to a light, airy cake. Now, in a separate bowl, beat your butter until it's creamy, then gradually add sugar. This is the basis for a moist, rich cake. The next step is to add your eggs, one at a time, followed by the lemon zest and juice. Remember, the magic is in the zest. That's where the real lemony flavor is. Once you've beaten those together, it's time to add your dry ingredients. Here's a crucial tip. Don't overmix. Too much mixing can make your cake dense. Instead, blend until you can't see any dry flour. Preheating the oven is non-negotiable. A properly heated oven ensures even baking. Once preheated, pour your batter into a prepared pan and place it in the oven. Now, how do you know when it's done? Simple. Insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, you're golden. If not, give it a few more minutes. And there you have it, your very own lemon pound cake. But before you dig in, let's add the final touch. While our cake is cooling, we'll prepare a simple but flavorful lemon glaze that will take this cake to the next level. The glaze is where it all comes together, infusing the cake with a tangy sweetness that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. It's quite easy to make. All you need is fresh lemon juice, powdered sugar, and a dash of vanilla extract. Blend these ingredients together till you get a smooth, pourable consistency. Now here's a critical tip. Let the cake cool completely before drizzling the glaze over it. If the cake is too warm, the glaze will simply melt off, leaving you with a soggy and less than appetizing cake. Patience is key here, as it allows the glaze to set, creating a beautiful glossy finish that not only looks good but also seals in the flavors. And there you have it, a perfect lemon pound cake. Why not give this recipe a try? We'd love to see your results. Remember, baking is an art, and every cake is a masterpiece.